another gift. Hold on. I get the good part.
Yeah.
Get out of here. There's no way. There's no way.
Just bag.
No way. You're full of it. There's no way. Did you?
What do you mean, did I?
This has got like a fake
Take
box
the
you
bags
found
out
in
of
the
it.
wall.
Take the bags out of it.
Get out of here. Where the hell did you get this at?
Julio's.
How much was it?
$85.
Get out of here. You're an idiot. I don't know what to do.
Everything I read was that is the stuff of
It is.
legends.
What am I supposed to do with my hands? I got 2 goblet glasses. We're going to share this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Look inside. Look inside.
No, I'm just...
This is...
Don't touch me.
Don't. This is the awe and wonder of a child returned and restored.
This is stupid.
That's money.
Get out of here.
Hold it up for the camera so everybody can see because I'm posting this.
Oh, up here. Up here.